Hi, I'm Greg McHale, founder of Datanomix. At Datanomix, we've had the good fortune of visiting hundreds of shops all over the country where we've met some of the most innovative, resilient, and driven leaders in American manufacturing. Manufacturing Mavericks is our way of showcasing these amazing people and how they are improving processes, applying technology, and aligning their company culture to ensure American manufacturing will thrive for generations to come. They are the Mavericks, the stewards, and the future of American manufacturing greatness, and it is our honor to have them tell their stories. Subscribe to Manufacturing Mavericks on iTunes, Spotify, Google Play, or your favorite podcast app. You can also learn more about the show at mfgmavericks.com.